The fast online cash advance feeds into some users' need for instant gratification. People who rely on quick cash as a budget convenience tend to have the debt piles to prove it. The way people use credit cards racks up balances faster than those who save them for unexpected costs. How controlled are you when there is something you really want and you know you have a credit card in your purse? Credit cards are used frequently to purchase dinners, movies, medical charges, clothes and more. The convenience of having the use of alternative money at your fingertips is inviting. Are you reluctant to find ways to pay cash for your purchase? Portions of those who have experienced large debt loads strive to change their mindset towards third-party money usage. It is a growing trend nowadays for people to attempt to use cash rather than credit in effort to improve their credit status. In order to do so, these same folks have found that they had to significantly cut back. Believe it or not, money can buy happiness, sometimes. It is clearly not the only path to find joy. Unfortunately, there are people who do not see it that way at all. Folks who apply for cash advances online are typically not smiling. Where did the joy go? It fell into the pile of debt that siphons income out of the bank each month. Payments are made each month with the interest eating most of it. It takes a person to commit to pay more than a minimum payment in order to start chipping away at debt. When a person's credit has become too entangled with outstanding balances, troubles grow larger. Once credit cards are no longer the available medium, people get determined to find other avenues. This is where short-term loans come into the picture. The need to buy happiness does not go away easily. Of course, this is only one scenario as to why short-term used are used. More often than not, an applicant is dealing with emergency costs rather than an urge to hit them all. Whichever the case, these loans are respectfully a last-ditch effort to fix a small budget problem. Use them rarely, pay them back quickly and seek for answers to omit needing them again. If you have grown into an unhealthy spending behavior, falling into patterns of outspending income, fast cash will not solve your problem. Emotions tied to money are a situation which runs deeper than affording monthly costs. Like any other addictive behavior, you cannot cure the action until you service the emotions behind it. The good news is that there is help out there for people with addictive shopping problems. The bad news is admitting that there is a problem isn't easy. When a short-term loan is used in getting a person's budget back on track, there is a reason to rejoice. When they are used to avoid dealing with the problem, they tend not to be very useful. In fact, these loans can snowball financial problems into disasters. Multiple fast cash advance loans online extend credit card bad practices until the root of the financial crisis is found and a plan to solve it is derived.